guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Diana Naureiness. If you're new to this channel, karibu sana. If you are not, karibu tena. Thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate. And so today this is a very highly requested video, how I do my turban. So let's get straight into the video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe so that and turn on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video you get instant notification and you never miss a video. Straight into the video. So guys, I have a round face, and when I'm doing my turbans, I normally want to take attention away from my round face and let's take it to the turban. So these tips might be especially helpful for people with round face, but if you don't have a round face, do not worry, you can still rock these styles. One of the tips I'm going to give you, especially if you have open hair, this is the best time to rock them, So this is a satin. I have a satin scarf. This is basically for beneath my hair, because the scarves I use, and let me show you, these scarves are not safe for your hair because most of them are cotton and a mixture of other fabrics, but this is the best because it's just slides, so there's no friction that will cause any, especially a hairline, it won't cause any friction that will cut your hair. And the other thing I always use for my base, this is for the base of the turban, is a small scarf which I'll roll into a ball. So like this one, I'll just roll into a ball like that. So it's gonna be somewhere here. Then the other thing I use is like a light scarf. This is one of those lightest scarves I have because it won't create bags. So this one I use for the base. I'll show you how I do that. And finally, to put things in place so that when you bend, things don't fall because of the weight, I use this. This is like a cup, Yeah, so this one. So straight into the video. that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Can you see me? So thank you so much for watching, and if you like what you saw, if you like the content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you get more content, you know. So to the gym, to the gym, to the gym, to the gym, to the gym. Okay, this is basically for those hair days. So bye.